Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to solve pattern 18 from TUF Plus. So let's try to understand this particular problem. So here also we are given with a integer number n and we want to draw a pattern something like this. Okay, just write it down here. So let's take the n equal to 4 example, n equal to 4. In this case what we are drawing d, then d, then b and one last a. So this is the pattern. So like always, for the first thing that we identify is number of rows. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows are there and is equal to n. So we can straightforward write our loop. So till now we have understood directly that we can like identify the number of rows pattern and then write the first for loop, that is outer for loop. I is less than n and I plus plus. So till now it is clear. Okay. And pattern problems are usually are about like visualizing the particular pattern and trying to identify some similarities around the rows. Okay, so here what we can see, it is something different, right? It is not like a b c d or starting with a or something like that. It is starting with d for the n. Okay, it is ending with d, sorry, starting with d and every line is ending with d, right? And the second example where n is equal to 2 is starting with B with the second row, right? Equal to 2. Okay. So here this character is important. So how we can find out this particular character? So that is a question. Okay. Let's see. So we want to identify it. So let's say if I do a plus n, a plus n. So in this case, a plus n is what? A plus n is a plus 4, which is equal to what is it? A, B, C, D, and E. So A is here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is E. So it is not my D. So how we can achieve D is, let's say we have to do minus 1. So A plus 3 is my D. So that way we can identify this character, right? Now, and our I value is here 0, here 1, here 2, here 3. Okay, till now it is clear, right? Now the question comes is like we have to we have to do we have to do a for loop for printing the characters. There are no spaces earlier, so we have to directly print the characters, and we are designing that in a for loop, and at the end it is print ln, right? So the inside for loop see that. Okay, so what we'll do, we will do the inside for loop. So it is like character for loop. Okay. So till now what we have identified? We have identified till where we want to run the for loop. So this is clear. That means our ch equal to, we have to identify that. Basically ch will be c in this case b, in this case a. Okay. But ch is then equal to particular formula. What is the formula? A plus n plus 1. Till that point we want to run the ch, right? Because in this case we want to run till d. Here also we have to run till d. Here also d. Here also d. Right. Now we have what we have to identify. We have to identify from where it should start. It is not, if it is like a b c d, then we should have written a everywhere. But it is not a everywhere. It is different in every case. So we have to identify that formula also. With respect to what? With respect to whatever variables we have. What variables we have? We have n, we have I. Okay. So can we say, let's say we have this formula, right? A plus n minus 1. this formula we have. What it gives you D, right? So in first case we want to print only D and I is 0. So can we say D minus I? Yes, it will give you D. Let's say in the second case, this particular case, is it D minus I? That means D minus 1. Is it C? Yes, from C to D we have to run the loop, correct? In this case, D minus 2, D minus 2, D minus I. That means D minus I is D minus 2, which is B. Yes, B to C we have to run the loop and print. And in this case, D minus 3. D minus 3 is nothing but A. We have to run the loop from A to D. So can we say here A plus n minus 1 minus I can be the starting point? Yes, we can say that. And inside that, what will print? Will print will print H. Will close this for loop. Okay, so this is our pseudo code for this particular so, for problem. Okay, so let's try to write the code. So first for loop is outer for loop, which is number of rows I equal to what? I equal to 0. I is less than n I plus plus. Then in that our for loop int char h equal to char ch equal to what? Plus n minus 1 plus n minus I. Okay, wrap it. Okay, wrap it. Here, what we will do? We'll again do the typecast. We'll do cs is less than equal to plus a plus n minus 1. We have to run. Here ch to start for loop and this system dot out dot print h plus space to dot out dot then yes it is accepted. It is giving you the output d d d and second case is n equal to 2 d and the output we are getting. So here time complexity is 2 nested for loops n square O of n square and space is O of 1 as usual because we are not using any variable. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and also many more content is coming this particular channel. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.